How to mirror your iPhone screen to your TV with AirPlay. When you use screen mirroring, an image appears on your TV that exactly matches your iPhone or iPad screen. It even shows up in the same aspect ratio as your device, such as 4:3 for an iPad, which often means the image doesn't fill the entire TV screen. Anything you do on your iPhone or iPad immediately mirrors to the TV screen. To mirror your iPhone or iPad screen to an AirPlay receiver. 1. Swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center. On an iPhone 8 or earlier, swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open it instead. 2. Tap the screen mirroring button and choose your AirPlay receiver. A blue bubble appears in the top left corner to show that you're mirroring your iPhone or iPad screen to the TV. 3. To stop mirroring your screen, return to the screen mirroring option in Control Center and tap Stop Mirroring. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share, comment. For more videos, subscribe my channel.